Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Nebo. Now this is their keychain light, also known as the Mycro. Comes in this box. They wanted me to test and review this light, 400 lumens, has both red and green LEDs. So let's wait no further, let's open this up, see what's in it. Now this does come with a manual here showing you how to use the light. Now you have a highest output of 400 lumens on this, which is pretty impressive. And it looks like you get a little carrying pouch here. And you also get a necklace, so you can carry it around your neck if you wish. Pretty long too. You get one USB charging cable, or you can use the lanyard. Now I noticed that right offhand it comes with the actual keychain ring already on it, so that's the way I'll use it. Alright, all metal design on the body. Got the chrome side, sorry I got my fingerprints already on it. Quick release hook. Now right offhand, the build quality is very nice on this. Style and design is very nice as well. I'll show you the special optics there in the LED. I don't know what LED is in there. It looks like there's only one color LED on there, so maybe it's red and green and one LED, we'll see. Machining and finish on this is very nice. I'm not seeing any issues here. Alright, so now let's go ahead and go through the UI. Now the UI is pretty simple on this. When you need momentarily blinding 400 lumens, you've got it right there just by pushing the Nebo power switch on the side. See that beam there? Nice hot spot on there. Spill tapers off. A lot of bleeding around the edges. A lot of light coming out of there. So now the black button here, we're going to go ahead and turn that on, and you can go through those light outputs. Got high, medium, and low. So PWM here. You got the green, and you do have the red LED. So again, the highest output there. That's not the highest output that this light can do. If you press and hold that, that's the highest output. So it's probably about 200 lumens. This looks to be probably about 70. And it looks to be probably about 15, 20. Now if you do turn it off, it's been on for a while, just go through those light outputs quickly. Got the green LED flooding on that. Got the red LED, serve your night vision. Again, need that 400 lumens right there on the spot. Alright, well this is definitely a nice keychain light. So let's wait no further. Let's take this outside. See how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Nebo Mycro Keychain light. Also, you can carry it other ways. Let's go ahead and get started. Starts off on the highest level, not on turbo, just the highest level. There it is. Now that is one. That's actually kind of got me speechless there a little bit. There's no PWM like it was. So that's 35 feet from where I'm standing. Remember, this is just a little keychain light. 65 feet. There it is on the fence. Look at that. Nice floody beam. All coming from out of here. Now, I've noticed that on a couple of my lights reviews that there's PWM on my camera in the house, but not on this camera here that I take for the night shots. Alright, we're going to go down the next level. There we go. Still is none. Alright. Well, that's nice. Still got some good light output and range. That's really impressive. Man. Alright, we're going to go to the next level here. It does shut off after you don't use it and you're on that level for a while. So we'll start off again and go down. That's the next lowest light output. No PWM. Well, light output is still bright enough to do most everything with, especially for a little everyday carry. Still making 35 feet. That's really impressive. Huh. No PWM. Alright, well that's good news. Now we're going to go to the next level here. It's going to be, of course, the green LED, which you're not going to see too much there. See it here on the post, as these lights outputs are so low. Good for up close. And now we'll go to the red LED. There's the red LED. Good for conserving your night vision. Alright, now I'm going to do turbo by using the Nebo button. Let's get started. See how it does. Look at that. All coming from this little light. Now you have to press and hold the 400 lumen output, which is okay. You don't need it but for short bursts. Look at that. Pan around here. See how it does. Now it does shut off after so many seconds. I'm going to do it again. Look at that. It is making 138 feet to the tree of life. Impressive. Before and after here. Very nice, Nebo. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. A lot of light comes out of this little keychain light. Very nice quality. I'm not seeing any issues. Easy to use, actually. If you're using that 400 lumens, I think you only get 37 minutes of runtime on that highest output. So you definitely want to use it cautiously. If you are only carrying this for everyday carry, then there should be no issues because you can easily charge it up on the go. Again, they give you the option with the keychain, or you now can carry it around your neck like with the necklace here, and that's nice. It comes with that, and also a carrying pouch. You can also carry it as a regular lanyard there and hold it as a regular flashlight if that's what you want to use. So definitely is nice, especially for the price. It's definitely budget friendly. Now these keychain lights are very popular, extremely popular actually, and Nebo definitely has something good here. I really am not seeing any issues with this. Very user friendly, easy to use. Get a lot of other options to carry it and use it as you wish. Also, it being USB rechargeable makes it easy to charge on the go. Now I want to thank Nebo for sending me this micro to review. Now if this is something you are interested in getting, I'll leave a link down in the description area, and also I'll leave a discount code, save you 15% off plus free shipping. So you're going to save quite a bit on this, just in case you might be interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these little keychain lights from Nebo to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.